Augmented reality is shaping our future. That we already know. But it's what we do with that future that determines the impact.
In 2019, we introduced our concept for AR training technology, designed to solve challenges like time-consuming cross-team training and improper and wasteful cleaning. Today, we're proud to present to you the complete Inspire training experience, an interactive solution for easier training and the next step in creating a cleaner future.
Through on-demand product information and real-time communication, Inspire connects you and your team with the resources needed to save time, cut costs, and clean effectively.
By merging digital experiences with the physical world around us, Inspire's patented AR technology transforms the way we think about training. This transformation in training improves the way teams in critical industries like building services, education, and healthcare are cleaning facilities.
With Inspire, leverage the power of tomorrow's technology for easier training and better cleaning today. Because the future isn't coming, it's here. What will you do with it?